In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload a screenshot in a Google form. The first thing you'll do is go to the Google form that you're using, fill in the information. Just going to pick 5RW for this one. I did a digital citizenship badge. The badge I did was Talkers. Here I'll write 3 things that I learned. For this demonstration, I'm just going to write right. And then upload a screenshot of the certificate from the game. So I need to add my file, select my file from my device, and remember I put it on my desktop. So over here I'll click desktop, and then I have to find the badge that I used, and it's right there, and double click and upload. And click submit. Once I receive the information, I'll contact you and get you your badge. Please let me know if you have any questions.